ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hello and welcome to the 12 Presents of Christmas, where I, your host, Jerry Claus, or jayBacca Claus. I don't know who I am. I'm just a guy dressed as Santa, having fun. Open up some Christmas presents. Whatever's in the Christmas present, I must use to make an amazing episode. Oh, present tree, what mysteries lie in me? Oh, present tree, what mysteries lie in me? Santa, got some packaging material. We got a dino! Rawr, 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 rawr. And we have a bunch of cans. For a can game, I know I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that can game and I'm going to play that can game. And this, because I only got... Come on, train! Come on! Come on! He's struggling around the bend. He'll be here in a sec. Or a minute. And then I close the door. I was gonna slam, but didn't. There's a ladybug on my door. Ah! Oh god. There they go. Ah! Actually, I'm not gonna play the can game. I got a much better idea in mind. So once upon a time, there was a boy named Johnny, and let's hear something. Oh, Christmas tree, Johnny, I think you're standing on the track. Nah, I think I'm fine. Okay. Is Johnny okay? I don't know. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Oh, present tree, we're nowhere near the train. And today we learned that even dinosaurs will get creamed by trains.
That's true, for sure. I didn't realize there were cans. I'm just hungry. Bye-bye now.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. That guy just won't shut up. Trains are a big part of the Christmas season. And tonight, or today, or whenever you're watching this, we've learned trains are dangerous. Even to dinosaurs. Stay off the tracks. Be safe. You know that's right. On the third day of Christmas, jayBacca Claus gave to me 3 cool old cell phones, 2 dope lanterns, and 1 pumpkin for smashing.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!